Hey, hi everyone. Let's solve the string-based interview question. So, the interviewer may ask to write a program to check the user entered input string is a palindrome string or not. Let's let's understand what is palindrome string. Let's consider a word madam. So, if you look into this word madam, if you read from beginning to end and if you read from reverse, it's both time it is same, like what I'm saying, madam madam, if you read from beginning to end or if you read from reverse, madam. So when you reverse also the original string is same, so this kind of a strings we can say that palindrome strings. So there are so many other words, level, level, and refer or race car. These are the example of palindrome string. Let's write a logic uh, to implement a palindrome program. So let's take a input from user. So I'm going to create an object of scanner, and we can acknowledge the user to enter a input string. Please enter the string to check the given string is palindrome or not. So then we are going to read the user input. We will get the user input from the scanner object. So that scanner dot read line, next line actually. So scanner dot next line, we will assign a new string which holds the value of user input. So now we got the user input from the scanner. So then now we are going to reverse the user input string from end to zeroth index. Let's consider how we are going to read. Let's consider a word level, level. So we have to read this input from reverse, from level, from last index to start index. So that let's consider this word length is 5. We have 5 characters, right? But when we are reading the index from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So then we have to read from the fourth index. Fourth index contains the L value. So we have to read each and every character of this user input string from end by just by making the length minus 1, means user we have to, let's implement the logic for, we are going to use the for loop. So int I equals to user input dot length, user input dot length is 5. So we have to reverse the string, right? So for example, for the level word the length is 5, so we have to read from fourth index. So I'm reducing my by minus 1, I is greater than or equals to 0, and I'm decrementing the value. I'm reducing the I value, I minus minus. And So we have to read the each and every character from reverse, and we have to assign that characters into a new string, right? So string, let's give a reference as a reverse string, and let's assign with the empty string value. So for this reverse string, we are going to append each and every characters by reading from reverse. So reverse string equals to reverse string plus I want to read from the uh, end index, right? So user input dot character at I character at of I value will be initialized with initially 4, right, for the first iteration. So character at, so this is a default method in a string, so which takes a index integer index as an argument and it returns the character value. So user input dot character of 4, I will get the L as a return value. So I'm just going to append the L to the reverse string. So the and I minus minus, and in the second iteration the value will be 3. I will get a value E. So once the loops gets completed, our reverse string contains the value of each and every character of the user input, which is appended from the reverse of a user input. So let's check if user input dot equals ignore case. I'm just ignoring the case like case sensitives of our reverse string. If user input is equals to the reverse string, then I can say that this user input is a palindrome string. Yes, it is a palindrome string. Else, no, not a palindrome string. Also, we can print reversed reverse string, and also we can check the user input. We are printing in the else block. So let's run the program. So let's give the input as a level. Yes, it is a palindrome string because if you read from reverse, it is same reverse string and the user input string is same. Let's check some negative scenario as book, B double OK book. So it's not a palindrome string because user input string is book, and this word when you reverse it's different, KOOB, right? So let's check some more different example. Refer, 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 right? So yes, it's a palindrome string. And also check word madam, MADAM. When you reverse, it's a palindrome string. Hope you got the idea. Thank you.